Okay, first one of the day, Ducati Pikes Peak Multistrada V4. This is the 6th one of these I have done. Thank you to Ducati Aylesbury for putting these clients onto me. This particular one here is, well, it's in for a new bike package, but it's actually got 1,200, 1,300 miles on it, and it is filthy. So this will need a proper clean, decontaminate, degrease. I believe it's just had a new exhaust fitted, although it will need polishing as well. So we've got our work cut out for us with this one, as she is pretty filthy. This is going to get one of our full works packages rather than a new bike package. This will include the Ultimaxx Signature Pro Ceramic and will include a 2-stage machine polish on all the bodywork. Obviously these bugs are properly ingrained, so we'll probably do a machine polish on all the windscreen, etc. We'll get it into the studio, and then we will airbrush the ceramic on all the engine, swing arm, wheels, etc. And after we've done a machine polish on the bodywork, we will lay down the Ultimaxx Signature quartz on the bodywork. Okay, Ducati has now been thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated, and debugged. Next step is to remove these windscreens and these little foils here, just so I can make sure to get those properly polished up, get all the bugs off from behind there, get them polished before we apply the ceramic, and then we're going to crack on with some detailing on this. Got the exhaust to polish up. Okay, the windscreen has now been removed, as well as the little foils. This will make sure we've got proper access to this front panel. This will get a 2-stage polish. I will also do the same with these panels, as it was absolutely covered in bugs. So we're going to polish those, polish that front. Once it's had the ceramic on it will make it a lot easier to keep clean in the future. So let's get cracking with some polishing. There you go, 3 hours and 30 minutes on the dot. This Ducati Multistrada Pikes Peak V4 has been fully trotted. Look at the freaking gloss on that. This has had one of our legendary full works valets. If you've been following along, you know what's been done. Just finished applying the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz ceramic on all this bodywork and windscreen. Look at the gloss that leaves behind, absolutely on point. This bike was in for a new bike package, but as you saw previously, it's got about 1,200 miles on it and it was covered in bugs. Every speck of that bodywork has had a 2-stage machine polish. We used the Cortec 3000 and finish off with the 9000. Then it was all prepped and we laid down the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Look at the gloss. We use the Ultimaxx Signature Pro on the rest of it. Everything has been misted with the airbrush. So all your engine, all your suspension linkages, frame, all up underneath the seats, all your wheels. We use the Ultimaxx Trim X on all the plastic. Everything has been coated, now fully protected for the years ahead. All your extreme nuts and bolts, which I know do corrode on these, I brush a little extra XCP on your banjo bolts, pinch bolts, things like that, but absolutely gleaming, better than new. Get yours booked in now. 07966249963. Your bike deserves it.